Miller TV. Bada bim, bada boom, bada bam.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, click that notification bell, and guys, Miller TV is where it's at, so don't forget. I don't know.
Miller TV. Bada bim, bada bam, bada bam.
Yeah.
Bada zoom zoom zoom.
Miller TV, varabim, varabum, varabim. Yeah.
Miller TV, body bim, body bam. Yeah.
Yeah.
Milo TV GH Toronto, Canada. Body bin, body boom, body bam. Ear.
Miller TV. Miller TV.
Milo TV, Malo.
Varabim,
Bada boom.
varabam. Yeah.
It was for me, Checho Bibia. Congratulations, 2,350 plus members. Nipa 4 afraid this week. Almost say you accept your claim, and a very good news because you accept your claims are now. Wait me apply for permanent residents of Canada. Who we are waiting the family members are joining work. Very nice. Asemba kwa guy bako kaye nipa 4 na me dey. O say Mr. Bruce, sansem na one Mr. Milo Mokano. Say enye consultant na agent krata na man. Me me research, de bia na me wo internet, na me wo TikTok, na me wo Google, na me checking, na me reading much about refugees. Kwa ye bi mo fa super eligibility. Nti no nyame adom ya accept me. Me damasi bebre nti an wa ye hu video na wa ka kire mo say eye omonye research ebebo mo. Na me so no asema de bia me tai kaye. Ghana, yeah, English is a language of instruction. So why do you have to wait for others? Come on, you can do it. Make sure say obe passive eligibility. I'm not an immigration consultant or agent. Make sure say ubenya credible evidence or genuine story. Canada, omu per refugees. Sisiano, omu hiankrofo. Nti ye one also betumi age 4 people. Charlie, we can wait them any beje. Come to Canada, beautiful country, introducing Canada to the world. Meet and greet festival and also Basso and check out.
Alright, so we see for Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe to our first time. How we are like no commenting. Now if you watch me, the Prince for Joe Terrier, Toronto, Canada. And I'm a YouTuber, of course. You can't breach some in your mobile. When you're on the first one, on being your setna. See in your job link be posted MOBPA so a cop no could try any luck. Of course, accommodation sems not your boy, and you boo up so regulated Canadian immigration lawyer Nin and your boy, and my wayano. Or shout out to you, Mr. Bruce Willis. Bruce, a gun in your brand here, upon homodin, of course, about crude your modern denina or start from Hamba line or ye barbecue cracker, ye made in addition, a war. Bia your friend Morton Park and this year meet and greet festival and a pass life I will Toronto, Canada. Alright, so Uncle I know a bidin and no teeny pa Obi equa bridge no good dra sebi who be na unimi kakra. Media be example tama ye buy be drew na ye pecrata. You do baby na kwa say nipe bi wo ho a ye hu mu na ye de ho wada kakra. Why am I saying this now? So I'm from Vancouver for, you know, like there are some people I'm fasa hustling them or Ghana nibi or mommy and our papa be a sponsor no than buy or no that person will name immigration home matching no will name to say refugee home matching no. And you will be a washer that school or specialize in immigration. Of course, lawyer Hinando, yes, or Hinando say we're free Finch and Western Road or call Western Road and still see one of the address in the man a tree. I know that man said pretty much or a very good or more than 25-26 years experience our Juma women. That man is specialized when it comes to immigration once and some yes. A gun and so or come matching so a Joe so you know those people now. Before say we did draw a bridge, you know, especially Canada, Hanamo for the past 15 years. You need to do certain things. You don't just go and then frame a story, kick it. No, your life has to be in danger. But your story now making your life has to be in danger. ansana wanya da akwanya no. Something has to happen to your life. And yes, I'll call you now or say, maybe dear Drew, say, no. That is why sometimes you have to have evidence of proof telling the lawyers, telling the immigration that this is what you are going through back home. And of course, Obi Busa say, be a Drew, you know, timeline. No way, bro, any timeline. Ebi a waba, obesra obi. And all the visitor and our visa by system no more. Utimi stay for be 6 months and sign why then walk back. Ebia in the process our system no more. Na bibi akrope up e wo back home. But your story ni ebia wo ha wo hwa be 4-5 months no. Na bibi esi e wo back home asem bia trigger based on that no kwa enye yi. And that one you have no option than to do what? For who come abai no bejo. Oh yes, of course. I keep on saying Canada those days, Trudeau papa, no what tear by you and so. One call Somalia, but pick your phone, go to Google. Nebusa, Google, ne say Somalia, refugees, time and anto kwa, Jinamo Gidi, Mu Kuni pa, back and forth. Trudeau papa, one kofa, refugees ama. Okay, and Yanko US. Yawo, Kofobi are from Nepal, Nepalese, or more close to India, more or less, or what to say India and Bangladesh for a time where na Barack Obama tesono okofa sankrofoi and mimi tumira na machire see whatever I say here based on a true story. So pick your phone, go to Google, ask yourself or ask Mr. Google, say, is it true say in your Barack Obama time omokofa Nepalese or China a small baby edo omoba Columbus, Ohio. I'm going Columbus for about 5 months, so I know what I'm talking about. Nti omanya omutimi se omadaje eko no mokofa ahoho de omobo omomamu no chese se bibi how ewo omamu na okona do hokoda omo onye mistake mete ha Canada ko Syria ekofa refugees do omobai ya wa ha the war between Russia and Ukraine. Canada of course okofa ni pa de omo yeden ebai nti Canada omo bi abrabra na obaji oji ahoho oje ayarefo oji ahiafo oji omo a nema nkoyi omo a sebi omu krum nema asia ansem fata nti ma menka asem bi ene wa yen di mu sebi so yen Ghana fo ne toda edu ba bia we di adru we di adru we bra adru di enye crime no way adru se obi di adru a enye crime near the hand of a but before so be di adru no make sure say your life is in danger back home. You have to have a credible evidence. A disclaimer. Me immigration lawyer, me immigration consultant. Dear minim, and I'm a bar, na me chuchu. But you tini ba na me so. Okay? Enti obi nso timi busa say obi a oye international student oba with me sick. Oh yes. School ni there any exemption. I mean, there is nothing like exemption when it comes to adrudi. But you sorry no. Ye ni nchichemu bi a category bi a asese ni no. But then moment a obekwa akosiki no, usiki ya boom na o status. So the student ne ba ya besesa obeba be refugee. That is how the thing is. Milo TV Toronto Canada gonna have fun bari bim bari boom bari bem. Yeah, subscribe if you are liking if you are commenting na wa share. And you don't just seek asylum. No. Enkonko data refugee board no. Enko ye nima bi ensem fata nti se obehwe a ye betena na yetu amanfo fo se nipa bi a wo ba ya wakose osiki. Na wakosiki na atwi osan akọ osan akọ maso ye se asemesi ye kura se ni se nti ye be se ekọ back now. Ma menka story bi nchira o se obabe di edru a aya na omo seize o passport. Almost seize o travel documents. Why do they do that? They do that based on the fact to say, nipa yepe woko, you do not need to travel again. Because you took your life will be in danger until you bejo. Okay, so until you basa your passport. There is this guy, I know so kufi. Into yes so kufi no. Or they koto money, or buy obedu port of entry no siki. Into what they koto money say. The life is in danger. Why not? Mujini bibi a process. So ofe ni rio, so ofe Ghana, so then they no koye say, or so ko back home. And okoye no, immigration for some man 2 weeks say ura. Ko ne ko dream hu biu. Yempesa obeko now life in danger, regardless of how I would claim here. Basis I would so I will claim here. But it is story you. And nipa we besa kwa uje passport no ko back home. Na wama ubia ono system ni mu a wedi opese onya ne krata no na okope problem amano. And this is where my problem is. This is where most of our people, our Ghanaian brothers and sisters, this is our problem is. Your problem na honey free ba. Okay, fa wo ho kotum ansa na wasan wadwen say me twe me ho ayeden afrimu. Now, Mr. Bruce Ghana ni abrante our Canada. Of course, we will group on a meet and greet festival. This time at the festival so and easy. Because we lunch and of course we'll be able to be a fee group now what so or the bois job link accommodation immigration consultant. Of course the group no nipa more than 2,000. Na nipa and 9 be a woman or muti or munya kratano na nijisem keke. Inti yabeko na yakopo Mr. Bruce the video no na shim. Guys, I'm just trying to let you know say oba Canada no be Aduro say any crime no unku nipa emarenhu amoba mumu enye se bia wo fere bi no me na be timi chest because who access to hospital utumi hospital o matumi ku school any ade and kwaya be fa so obenya asetena no. That is the best way. Guys, Toronto, Canada, TV gonna have fun. Bari bim, bari boom, bari bam. Yeah, subscribe. We are liking or commenting. Now if you watch it, obi the school route beba, obi go to school fine. Obi beba as a visitor, of course. I mean, obi trying the best to say, obi chat 5 months, 6 months, no work on one side and abba back. But obi so be do ye, also would do, and your criminal stuff no. Obi so would do and your problem be or no. And no fee say baby han no fee, but bra make sure say baby koso dim. And ko ka bibi wo ho na enko say mom ye ntanehye ye my Ghana din e wo nema bi ho. There was a brother bi a okwa soro wa ya na de bia me ye video na otake me no di matem na say no. But me, I will never sit here telling obi say unko di Aduro. But say nipa na ba na obeka kire me say his or her life is in danger back home. I will tell the person say unko straight unko siki. Yes, we are unko hinandomo. But yes, omo on pen setna. Of course, Ghana, they be a Ghana if you buy. You didn't be a coso, gay, ne lesbian, and as if we see an into mobile amount for you gay. Tornado one and I'm guy, we are Instagram near the honest. There are so many people practicing it, and yet you am for one child, and Nippon will do our sign call. Ubua when yasa se won't talk a be nominee at it. Oh, I know signing in a war. And Yak. Hi, Milo TV, Toronto, Canada. Oh, story, reach out to me on 416-909-1100. Na yen share mobi and sunyebi. Na onfa M1 ho. Me do we see that was it. Na me uncle bia na onyu bia koma so ade. Ama ne bompa ye se nkrata asem ne bibia no. Ebe in reality na obi anso anya asetena pa. Na sebe ye kufia ya nko ne nsapan because ye ba no ya nshipo ka ma Canada. Ye ba ya mfa ye fie. Na do be say edanti sadaka nka me de etu kwan ya mfa fie ama beti abeto fie e wo Canada ya beto house e wo Canada enti die bi ho be do be see ha ya da mase se de kwa me ba ye yi ma no kwadwo nso be fa mo e mo obomu wodi Aduro stick your neck na boy juma na toto ne ma yi yero ho na ye juma e be bo me da se ayi Milo TV Toronto Canada bari bim bari boom bari bam yeah. Yes, indoor soccer 2025 people, Toronto, Canada, Driftwood Community Center. Come, let's have fun. Come, let's chill. Milo TV. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Bari bim, bari boom, bari bam. Yeah. TV, Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time. Like my videos, comment, and then share. Bari bim, bari boom, bari bam.